degrees take students multiple years to complete. So thoughtful planning and preparation are needed to avoid bumps and detours on the road to graduation. But how do you keep track of everything, like the classes you have already taken and those you still need to take? As a college student, you are ultimately responsible for your education and success. Here at SUNY Plattsburgh, we have plenty of resources to help you make sound decisions and lay out the best coursework for your academic journey. One of those resources is your DegreeWorks. DegreeWorks is a degree audit system used to track students' progress throughout their degree. It lists all of the requirements, and when each one is completed, DegreeWorks will check it off. There is a great deal of information in DegreeWorks, and much of it will be more relevant in later semesters. For now, let's dive into the basic features that are important for new students to know. Looking at the My Plattsburgh homepage, there are two different ways to access DegreeWorks. One way is on the Students tab. Under Degree Audit Information, you will see SUNY DegreeWorks login. You can also access DegreeWorks at the top in this row of icons. On the top of the page is general information, including your student ID number, major, cumulative GPA, and any advisors in your support network. Your primary advisor will always be listed first. Other advisors include a coach if you are a student athlete, or a staff member if you are in a special program. Maybe you'll declare a minor next semester. The faculty member associated with that minor will be listed here. Do not worry if you don't see any advisors at the moment. As a new student, you will not be assigned your advisor until just before the semester begins. If you have any questions or want to connect with someone regarding your classes, the department chair is there to help. Within the same block, you will see other information, including, but not limited to, registration holds. Scrolling down to the next block, you will see two circles that indicate degree progress by tracking completion of requirements and completion of credits. Please be aware that these are simply good estimates and are not precise. For example, undeclared majors will have no major requirements or courses listed, so their percentages will be inflated. Nevertheless, it is fun to see the number rise as you make progress. The next block details requirements for a bachelor's degree. All bachelor's degrees require a minimum of 120 credits. The total number of credits you've already completed plus the credits you are registered to take in the upcoming semester. Other credits you may have earned, such as advanced placement courses completed in high school or credits transferred from other colleges, will be included here too. Lastly, you will see cumulative GPA. Please note that only grades earned at SUNY Plattsburgh will be counted. So you might be starting off with a 0.0 GPA. This is normal for new students. Just beneath this is placement proficiency results. These results are based on various competencies you have. Placement tests from your admissions checklist you might have taken or previous college credit. This information lets you and your advisor know if you are ready to jump right into a particular course or if you must take a prerequisite course first. Discuss your placement results with your college advisor if you have any concerns about your ability to succeed in any course. The next two blocks show the general education program you are in and the requirements for that program. For most first-year students, that program is the Cardinal Core curriculum. Cardinal Foundation courses develop essential skills that support all college learning. The Cardinal categories cover a core of knowledge in liberal arts and sciences. Courses from 6 categories study the histories and institutions of our global community, promote critical self-awareness, and encourage you to reflect on your role in a diverse society. Everyone's degree works will look different, but in this example, we can see that this student has some green checked classes, some blue half circles, and some red circles. All of these different colored circles mean something. A green checked circle indicates a class or requirement that has been completed. This might mean that the student took this class either at SUNY Plattsburgh or maybe transferred that credit from another college. If the credit or class was satisfied by a transfer course, you will see TR under the grade column. The grade you earned will not count towards your GPA here at Plattsburgh, but the credit will count towards your degree completion. A letter grade in that column means that you took the course at SUNY Plattsburgh and the grade earned will be calculated into your GPA. The blue half circle shows that the class is in progress. Remember, this includes all classes for the current semester, plus registered classes for the upcoming semester. For example, this student has registered for physical geology in the upcoming semester, so it is considered in progress. The red circle means that the class or requirement has yet to be completed. In the next block, there are requirements for your major. Undeclared students do not yet have major requirements. However, this block will appear here once you declare a major. Degree work calculates the GPA for just your major classes at the top of this block. Requirement can also satisfy a Cardinal Core or other requirement. This is nice because you are taking one class but satisfying 2 requirements. In the next block down, you will see cognate requirements. Are courses and related content that are considered essential to your major. This student is a geology major, but as you can see, needs classes in chemistry, math, and physics. These classes are not within the geology department, but are all meaningfully connected and are important to understanding geology. Not all majors include cognate coursework. The fall through section can be looked at as elective courses. These classes do not fall into one of the above categories, but can count towards your 120 credits. First-year students will have few, if any, fall through. That is completely normal. Transfer students that have studied here for a bit might have more classes listed in this category. Many first-year students will see classes in this block because your department chair or special program staff has registered you for them. You will have the opportunity to meet with your department chair or program staff to discuss the classes that you are pre-registered for and some classes you will be able to register for yourself. For transfer students, you will also meet with your department chair to discuss the best classes for you. In summary, DegreeWorks is a very useful tool that you will be using throughout your SUNY Plattsburgh career. This video was just a brief overview of some key points that you need to know before starting classes. There are many more features of DegreeWorks that you will be introduced to as you continue your college career. On behalf of Academic Advising, we would like to wish you all the best in the upcoming semester.